Hey guys, what's going on? It's Tcarp. All right, so I found something today while I was out and about, and I had been paying attention to this item for a long time. If you're like me, your wife drags you to Walmart, Target, all those places. And at Target, I like to kind of scan through the camping items and all that. And one thing that had been there for a long time is this knife right here. This is the Gerber. It says the ultimate fixed blade. And I noticed that it was like 50 bucks and whatnot. And after Christmas, these things apparently went on sale. So I picked this thing up for like $27, like half price. And I was like, I can't beat that. And I wanted to show it because I wanted to see, you know, they put these survival knives out on the shelves of these retail stores, and we're about to find out, like, is it worth $55, number one? Number two, is it worth $27? And obviously, is it the ultimate fixed blade survival knife? Either way, what we're going to do is after this, I am going to give this away. So, you know, we're going to do a knife giveaway and all that. You'll need to be subscribed and all that stuff. But tell your friends that we'll be doing a giveaway of this. And looking at this, starting off, let's just take a look. Again, I haven't opened it up or anything like that. It's made out of 7CR stainless steel. Haven't done my research on that. I will, but that's what it's made out of. It is a serrated edge. I don't like that at all. This is your main cutting edge, so this would be where you would do feather sticking. There would be all that. This is like your working edge on that, and it is serrated. I don't like that at all. We're going to find out how that works, if it works at all. It has a plain edge right through here, so we'll do that. Looks like it comes with a ferro rod, so we're going to strike that and see how that lasts. A rubber grip fire starter sheath. It's just the sheath that it has looks like it's a cloth sheath, so we're going to see that. And it has apparently a integrated sharpener for the sheath. Again, we'll see about that, and we'll see how that works. And if it works well, we're going to baton this bad boy. We're going to put it through its paces. But it says it's a fixed blade. I don't know if it's a full tang design. Again, we're gonna find out. So again, and what I want us to do is we're gonna find out how it holds up against knives like these, you know, $120, $150 Pathfinder knives, or these, you know, these knives that I've got, the Essies. You know, I want to know how these hold up, and like, are they even worth you buying? So again, stay with me, guys. We're going to really put the Gerber ultimate fixed blade to the test. Stay with me, guys. Again, we'll do a knife giveaway afterwards if the knife survives. Stay tuned. Y'all be good. This is Tcarp signing out.